The old like panic. Flat?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Wait,
I got a tube.
So do I.
Well, let's go over there.
We can just do it here in the middle. The sign will keep us safe.
And I got the pressure valve adapter. Thank God.
You're onto it, Neil.
Set.
You are all set. And I brought my pump, which I nearly forgot actually. Let's see if I actually brought my tube though. I think I did.
God damn it. Place one fucking tube can get a flat the other.
Alright.
Oh, beautiful.
I replaced the rear with the got a flat.
Here you go. So Greg, take your wheel off. Alright. So where are we? Let's go opposite. Well, I got one down, so I'll just pull it off that side. And the other one will come. What the fuck this tyre, dude? This is shit.
Well, it's heavy duty, so you never get any funky.
I feel like I'm gonna snap my tyre lever trying to pull this beat over, dude.
You spoke the truth.
Absolutely fuck it. Now there's tyre lever in you. Okay, it's alright, I have more. I have spares. See, remember Neil when I said, hey, do you want this tyre lever? And you said, no man, I don't really need one. Well now I have a spare. Dude, I cannot get this off.
With metal on the inside and plastic on the outside.
Why? Oh, I got it. Oh, I'm gonna break it, dude. It's alright, I have one more extra after this, and then I'm out of levers.
That's not the thing that you're meant to run out of.
Oh, here we go, here we go. Where's that green one? In there. Ah! Yes, okay. Progress.
Go.
It's not going to snap off, George. Alright, here it comes, here it comes.
Oh, how you can get this back on, Peter?
Theoretically, it should be easier to come back on, right?
Theoretically.
Whatever you say, Neil.
Is that it?
Is
there a tube in there?
Yeah, that's it, there's a tube in there. Where's the valve stem? I'll snap it. That's on the other side.
We don't want to stand on
The valve stem doesn't matter again, really.
No, I just don't want it to be like under me thing when I'm reefing.
That's a pretty big tyre.
Oh! Holy shit, dude! That was so difficult. Oh my god. Okay.
I think the size in tube is also...
It'll stretch out. It'll all come out in the wash, Neil.
Wait, do you just have a patch kit?
I do, but you'd have to work out where the hole is. Yeah, weight reduction. Mate, it's like the spare tyre on your car. Yeah, max speed 80 k's. Alright, can you hold that?
I was just confused. I was like,
It says on the box from Kmart that it can do anything. But your mileage may... Whoa, what is going on here? When you get home, you can... is this going to fit a Schrader? The hole in the... Oh! It's not going to fit a Schrader, dude.
Doesn't look like it.
Dude, there's
no way.
You could drill it out.
I'm not drilling it out, cunt.
drill out his like
Yeah.
rim that costs more than my bike.
I guess it's the patch kit.
I guess it's the patch kit, dude. It didn't bring me kitchen sink, so we can't dip it in that. Oh.
Oh, no, there it is.
Oh shit. Alright, patch kit.
Get what's it called?
Hey? Yeah, it's like vulcanizes the rubber. Here? Wait,
Yes.
place your bets. There?
Yeah, just
There?
In the middle, yeah.
There.
cover as much as you can and...
Yeah, because it's the gluey stuff is
Alright. Let's put it back in and cross your fingers.
Are we going to leave... I think we could leave that
No,
on.
no, it's just paper. Yeah.
And
Yeah, that'll protect it.
Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's not
Alright.
So Like, that bit's a bit body different.
On the other side. I don't think there's a hole there.
Okay, valve hole is on, so put it valve down. We're going to seat the left side first. Oh, this is so shit. Oh, it's going, I can feel it.
Don't crush it.
Oh, yes. Okay, now other side.
You see the penguin? No, don't do this. You feel the blood rush to your hand.
I'd rather not.
Just try it.
I got a hoodie, dude.
Dude, just try it.
I got
Alright, ski instructor Neil.
You know, because that's.
Or you can do these ones.
Is that what? I don't know, man.
Hand cold?
No.
No, all it forces all the blood
the
to your
blood
hands.
rushes to it. Try it. It's a really weird feeling.
Is that what you teach in your classrooms in Gingy?
Well, that's what I teach the kids. I'm like, you can either do the windmill
Yeah?
or the penguin, but don't complain to me about your hands being cold, because you know how to fix it.
You just gotta inch it, dude. You just gotta inch it.
You inch it from one side and the other side keeps moving the other way, right?
No, it shouldn't. This is silly, bro.
So can we use the other end of the tire lever to like
Well,
use that little curve?
I'm just gonna.
That's going to cut the rubber through.
No, I shouldn't.
That's
Oh, you could ride it like that, Neil. Oh, dude, this is. I've never had so much trouble putting a fucking tire on a rim, dude. Dude, this is crazy. How do people? How do they expect you to do this?
They just like go back.
Maybe they make the tire around the rim. It's just manufactured, already seated. Go Neil! Alright. Alright. Let's go. Get down here. Oh, it's wet! Oh! I dropped my chain. Oh, it's back. Okay. Oh. Woohoo!